Ang tasa ni Lola. Si Lola ay may tasa. Kulay puti ang tasa. Iniinuman niya ito ng kape tuwing umaga. Mainit ang kape. Masarap inumin. Hinugasan niya ito pagkatapos inilagay niya ito sa cabinet. So, ang tasa ni Lola, a tasa is a cup and then Lola is grandmother. So, it means grandmother's cup. Si Lola ay may tasa. May means there is or there are. So, grandmother has a cup. Kulay puti ang tasa. Kulay is color and then puti is white. So, the color of the cup is white. Iniinuman niya ito ng kape. Inom means drink. So, iniinuman niya ito like continuous. So, like every day, most of the time. So, kape. So, she uses this to drink coffee. Every morning, tuwing umaga. Like, tuwing is every, umaga is morning. So, every morning, mainit ang kape. When we say mainit, that means hot. So, the coffee is hot. Masarap inumin. Masarap means delicious to drink. So, it means like it's good to drink. Maybe using the cup or the coffee is delicious in a way. So, hinugasan niya ito pagkatapos. Hugas means like clean. Ito is this, pagkatapos is after. So, she cleans this like after drinking coffee. Inilagay niya ito sa cabinet. Lagay means to like place niya is she. And then ito is this sa cabinet, on the cabinet. So, she places this on the cabinet. Ang tasa ni Lola. Si Lola ay may tasa. Kulay puti ang tasa. Iniinuman niya ito ng kape. Iniinuman niya ito ng kape tuwing umaga. Mainit ang kape, masarap inumin. Hinuhugasan niya ito pagkatapos inilagay niya ito sa cabinet. Ang tasa ni Lola.